Now that we've finished our project, make sure you do not slip stitch, just finish your single crochet. We're gonna snip our working yarn and we're gonna pull that tail through, take out our stitch marker. Now we're going to be weaving in and out of the front loop only. Take your needle and attach it. Now go into the front loop and out the front loop, just like this. Pull it, then you're gonna go in, out. In and out. And again, make sure you're doing this in the front loop only. Pull. Now before we completely close it off, I like to make a knot just to secure it a little bit better. I'm gonna go through both loops, creating a circle. Now I'm going to pull that hole closed and pull my yarn through the circle and pull it tight. And now we're going to weave in our end to hide our tail. Then weave it in again. And then we are going to snip this tail. And remember, this pattern is available on my website, on my Etsy, or in my Patreon. So if you have this pattern, you have now completed your little ghostie and learned how to close a hole.